Here I have CAVION Base 5.0, and today I'm going to show you how to perform force restart operation on this device. So if your device is laggy, you try to do something about it, but it just don't react to your actions, you try to push buttons but it doesn't help. What you can do about it? You have to restart your device, but you're trying to press and hold power button and no reaction. What you have to do is to hold down combination of keys power key and volume down for about 5 or 7 seconds, and after that your device will be forcefully restarted and won't be laggy anymore. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.